Hello everyone, this is Joe Picks. I'm Joe. Thank you for joining me. Today I have this US General round body padlock. Picked it up yesterday from Harbor Freight. It's like $8. This is a knockoff of the American 702. Let's see if I can get this picked in a reasonable amount of time. Very inconsistent on getting this thing open. Top of the keyway tension. It takes a considerable amount of tension. So once you move the core, the whole core moves with a little bit more force, and that's what it takes to tension this lock. Nothing on one. Big click on, is that two? Maybe three. Start over. 1, 2, 3. I think 2 might have fallen back down. It did. That was 4, 5. Back to 1. Nothing. 2, 3. 5 is a high cut way at the back. Start over. 1, 2, 3. That's an overset. Good click there at 2 that I had dropped. Felt some movement there. I think 1 is finally binding a little bit. It is, and that is the final touch. Get this thing opened up. Anyway, thank you all for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.